What's up, Priatelia? Kidbreak's Revenge here. We are in a Quest Hotel in Cebu City, part of Visayas, Philippines. Cause Gial, what happened on video games on having a bad tensions, having a bad problem?
Yeah, no, definitely. I believe video games have caused a lot of anger issues within me.
You want?
Especially multiplayer games. Like, what would you say multiplayer games?
Minecraft,
Yeah.
Fortnite, Saints Row,
Fortnite,
Grand
yes.
Theft Auto.
Yeah, the whole 9 yards, I'd say. Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, too. A lot of violent urges.
It's a violent format game, Gial.
Yes, it is. Yes.
If Gial, something with your apartment friend with Kevin, Omar, and what you Kevin's playing PlayStation 5 doing?
Yeah, we play a lot of Fall Guys, primarily. Fall Guys and Call of Duty Warzone 2.0. And yeah, it's caused a lot of anger issues.
You gotta get a red zone for playing video games in the video games. Nothing.
Yeah, I deserve a red zone card, yes. Deserve a red zone.
You feel emoted on video games because something went disappear, and having a bad issues against a bad policy on video games.
Yes. Bad policies on video games.
Did you sure, Gial Berto? How was not your paying attention to King Villa and your cousin, Philip Nelson from AK Mon?
I don't know, I don't play with them anymore. I can't really comment on that at the moment.
Because Gial played with Kevin on PlayStation 5 and Gial played on your computer games.
Yes, Russ.
Gial, do Omar talk about vegetarian controversy?
No comment.
Gial, do you know Kevin's having a Omar or Kevin having a vegetarian controversy?
I can't speak on that matter. You're gonna have to ask them, unfortunately.
Fortnite include your video games and personality inside a hotel.
Fortnite, Nintendo Switch games. Yes.
You play Minecraft on your laptop.
Yes, I do. Yes.
Do you want to play Black Ops on your big screen?
Yes. Black Ops Zombies. Yes.
You're scared of zombies, multiple zombies in the big screen already.
Yes, I am. Yes. Round 30. I'm scared of zombies.
Also, I played Saints Row when multi-players or multiple gameplays in my basement TV in the United States.
Yes.
Do you have PS5 on your apartment or a big house with room?
I usually have it with me at all times, but I don't have it with me in this vacation. Right now it's at the big house, but I usually take it back to the apartment.
Taking care of Gial Berto, when something went wrong about how was your having against angry missions with your friend Kevin in your PlayStation 5?
Yes, very angry at all times.
No swearing in your playing or swearing to play Black Ops.
I swear. I'm sorry about that. I swear a lot.
I can't do that with my sis boyfriend playing Black Ops on a big screen. 2 days after Feed My Starving Children, I played Black Ops with my sis boyfriend on the big screen. Includes sister's bedroom is PS4, but PS5, my PlayStation 5, my webcam, my laptop, and sis boyfriend on a flat screen with my sis bedroom.
Did you swear?
Not little bit.
Little bit?
I'm not sure. I said in Serbian, but no swearing. If my sister's boyfriend played, I play on a big screen TV.
Yes.
If during field trip I text Isak, I text Gial Berto, and I texting my sister's boyfriend to be another.
Yes.
Gial, do you have to talk about against Profanity.
Profanity is bad. You shouldn't say bad words.
That was bad idea, Gial.
That was bad idea. Can you give examples of bad words in Serbian right now?
Don't say J words, don't say K words, don't say S words, don't say P words, don't say all K words in Serbian. They are prohibited in the basement.
Oh.
You must not say that in the basement because you violated to the violence.
Yes, Russ.
What happened to a violation, Gial Berto? I don't think Gial's having a prophecy of you don't do that on your Facebook because Gial, do you play on your blue room already?
I do, yes. I play on my blue room, yes.
You have a green stripe room.
Yes, my green white stripe blue room, yes.
If you questions to me, Gial, can you think something in that video games already? Cause your friend's having your ex-friend Fernando, Noah, Grant, and
I'm still friends with them, Russ.
They're not ex, they're current.
They're current friends, yes.
Did you play with Noah did you play Fernando long time ago?
Yes, Russ. Long time ago, PS3. Fernando, yes.
Did you play with Philip Nelson from Mon, King Villa from Matthew, Poking? And did you play with another friend again? Maybe
Dan.
Dan!
Yes.
Dan, Gial. Did you play with PS3 is obsolete made with Gial did you play with Gial Berto on the big old apartment TV?
Yes, Russ.
What's something to do, Gial Berto? If sacrifices to play video games has been personality, gotta be strength to be a policy members with Gial. Did you play with Philip Nelson from Mon on your League of Legends?
I did, yes. I played with Monala and King and King Villa.
Why you mean Philip Nelson from Mon having a little bit profanity with Auntie George telling Philip Nelson say, "Ooh, did you say that? I'll tell Auntie George," Gial said.
No, I'm not a tattletale. I'm not a snitch. No.
You're not snitching that, Gial Berto.
No snitch.
No snitching for you, Gial.
No.
That's not problem. We're in something when sacrificing to another rant, giving try to give another reasons why I'm not gonna get ready for Gial Berto. If you ever stop playing and stop swearing on the basement,
No.
no idea. Thank you very much, you guys. Kidbreak's Revenge.